guys, welcome back to Crack Open. I'm Johnny, this is Isaac, and today we will be cracking open the Nerf Triad EX-3.
Alright, cool. The Nerf Triad EX-3 is an awesome little Nerf gun, super compact, shoots bullets really far, so I'm really interested in cracking this thing open, kind of figuring out what's in there, what makes it kind of shoot those bullets out really far. But before we do that, bud, what do you say we
roll some footage of us playing with some Nerf guns?
Alright, let's roll it. Let's go. Alright, so here we are. We got it out of the packaging. I think it's time for us to crack this thing open, figure out what's in this thing. Alright guys, well there you have it, another product cracked open for you. This time the Nerf Triad EX-3. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching us crack this thing open. And until next time,
don't forget to smack that like button, subscribe, and hit that little bell to get notified every time that we upload a video.
Alright, until next time guys, we'll see ya.
See ya.